guys, and welcome back to my show. And today we're going to be icing, and we're going to do different patterns on our cake. This is the one I did earlier. This is the one I need to finish off. That for you. And this is the ones that it looked like when it was in the oven. Now, so you could use some sparkly snowflakes by Sainsbury's. You could get the Sprinkles Factory Princess Delights. You could have some Frozen Dazzling Spinkles and Cake Angels Cake and Dessert Sprinkles. So this is what we're going to need. I nearly used this, but we found this one, and it's called Dr. Oetker, and it's more nice because it had different patterns on it, and it gives you like a pasta shapes and some rosy shapes. Now, so this is how I'm going to finish this off, and it's going to be really nice, but I'm going to practice on here because I want to show you guys how I'm going to do it on this plate first, because you might not know how to do it. Now, first, I'm going to get this, and we're going to squeeze like this, and like this, but you can make any pattern like this, or 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 this. Okay? Now, I'm going to get this, and I'm going to finish off the pattern. And we're going to put one in the middle for luck. And now I'm going to put a different one on. Wait, I can't take this off. And we're going to put that here, and I'm going to get this one. There we go. Trying to, oopsies. Okay. Now, we're going to get this cake first, and we're going to work our way around like this. And you might get good at this when you practiced it at the beginning before you did this. That I'm only a kid and I've never did this before. I had to practice this because I didn't really know how to do this. And you have to bend and put it up so the cream can come out like this. Like that, and that, and that, and that, so it can come out beautifully like this. A creamy cake. And after we've creamed all of these cakes I made, we can put the sprinkles on. And like, oh my god, I can't even do the middle. Okay, now we're going to use some of these. I'm going to use these. Okay, we're going to put it on this plate. We're not going to use all of them because that's a waste. You might not like sprinkles. So, put one here. Put one here, decorate, put one here. Then I'm going to put these on my delicious cake. Oh my god. And we're going to put some snowflakes. And going to get some angel cake sprinkles. And I'm going to get these brown ones. I like these. I used to like these brown ones when I was little. When I was about 3. There we go. And I'm going to get this. I'm going to get these ones. Get some of these. I'm going to get all of these. And I'm going to put it on this cake. And now we're going to use some of these sprinkles. Oh, these are nice. Wow. Oh. They are sparkly snowflakes by Sainsbury. And if you didn't really see the picture, here's the picture of these, and here's some snowflakes. I'm trying to put them on my spoon, but I can't really get the snowflakes, so I'm just going to have to pour some. Like that. And we're going to put this one in the middle. Thank you for watching. Huh? See you again soon.